How to write, and how to write D is put one standing line, write the standing line and a curve. This one is capital letter D, capital letter D, and small letter D, small letter D, small letter D. Now we learn 4 letters A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. Okay, next E. This is E. Repeat it again. E. E. E for egg. E for egg. EGG egg. E for egg. Okay, and then write, take a note and write E. E. Say and write E. E. Capital letter E. Capital letter E. And small letter E. Small letter E. Small letter E. And next, we almost finished 5 letters. And next, F. 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 F for fish. F for fish. Don't say like fish, not fish. This fish. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. F for fish. Take a note and write F. F. Standing line and 2 stepping lines. F. Capital letter F. F for fish. And small letter F. F for fish. F for fish. And next G. 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 Listen to this chord. G. G. And small letter G. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G for grapes. Grapes. Do you like grapes? Yes, I do like grapes. Next, write letter G. G. G for grapes. G. Small letter G. G for grapes. Grapes. Next, height. Height. Small letter and capital letter is here. Height. Height. Height for hat. Height for hat. H-A-T, hat. Height for hat. And write height. I think you are too fast. Height. I think you already written this height letter. Height. Capital and small letter. Height. And next, I. I for ice cream. Very nice, yummy. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I. It is very easy letter. Ice cream. I. I. I for ice cream. I think you still following me. Okay, next J. J for jam. J for jam. J for jam. J-A-M. Jam. J for jam. And then take your note. Write J. J. Capital letter and small letter. J for jam. Next, K. K for kite. Do you remember that we have kite day on day celebration? K for kite. K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. K for kite. And let's write K letter. K. K for kite. Next, L. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. L for lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. L-A-M-P, not B. L-A-M-P, lamp. Lamp means we have lamp on our home. Okay, L for lamp. Let's write letter L. L for lamp. L. L. L for lamp. And next, I have to rub my slate. I had to know much of enough space here. And next, letter M. M. M for mug. Coffee mug. Do you see this coffee mug? Yes, M for mug. M for mug. Let's write letter M. 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 Small letter M. M. M for mug. M for mug. M for mug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. M for mug. Next, N. N for nest. N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Listen it again. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N for nest. Let me write N. N, small letter N. Okay, here. Next, O. Next we have letter O. O. Say it again. O. O. It is very easy. It's like 0. O. O. Small letter O. O for owl. O for owl. O-W-L, owl. O for owl. Okay, let me write O. O. Capital letter O and small letter O. O. Next, P. P for plate. It's such different letters, different word. P for plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. We have all seen in our kitchens, and while eating we have one plate. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. P for plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Plate. P for plate. Let me write P. Are you following, kids? I didn't hear voice. Say it louder. Are you following me? S. Very good. P. Capital letter P and small letter P. P. M-N-O-P. Next, Q. Q for quail. Q for quail. Quail means that feather. Okay, Q for quail. Q-U-I-L-L, quail. Q for quail. Say it again. Q-U-I-L-L, quail. Q for quail. Let me write Q. Okay. Q. Q, small letter Q. Q. Small letter Q and capital letter Q. I just write it very roughly. You have to write it neatly. Okay. Very good. Next, R. R for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears. Okay, R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R. R-A. B. B-ib. Rab. It. I-T. It. Rabbit. Very good. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R for rabbit. Let me write R. R. Small letter R. R. R for rabbit. Next, S. S for sun. Very good. S for sun. S-U-N, sun. It is easy. S-U-N, sun. S for sun. S-U-N, sun. S for sun. Let me write S. Yes. You still following me? Yes. Something is happened to the small letter S. 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 S for sun. S-U-N, sun. Next, T. T for top. T for top. T-O-P, top. Top means in Bambaram. T for top. T-O-P, top. Let me write T. T. Small letter T. T. And then U. S-T-U. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella, not umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Sorry, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U for umbrella. Right letter U. U. And small letter U. U. Small letter U. Next, V. V. V for violin. V for violin. V-O-I-L-I-N. Violin. V for violin. V-O-I-L-I-N. Violin. V for violin. Right letter V. V. Small letter V. And next, W. W for well. W for well. Well means kenaru. Kenaru solvaangalla well. W for well. W-E-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. W for well. Let me write W. Small letter W. W. W for well. And X. X. Next, X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X. X. M-A-S. Mas. M-A-S. Mas. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Let me write X. X. It's very easy to X. And small letter X. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. And then Y. 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 Y for York. Y for York. Y for York. Y-A-K, York. Y for York. York means a big buffalo in a forest. Okay, frozen forest. York. Do you see this buffalo in Frozen movie? Yes, I too see that. York. Y for York. Y-A-K, York. Let me write W-Y. Y for York. And then next only one letter we have left. Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Not G. G. This one is G. This one is G. This is Z. This is Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Z-I-B zip. Z-I-B zip. Z-I-P. Sorry, I'm sorry. Z-I-P zip. Z-I-P zip. Z. IP zip, IP zip. Okay, we now finished all over the letters of alphabets from A to Z. Okay, try it again and again. Don't forget to write A to Z. Here is a homework. Write on your rough note from A to Z on your 4 lines note. Anything you any note you can take and then write. Okay, bye.